Hello dear students. Now this is just an update regarding the board examinations for 2021. As per the notification of CBSE which was issued on the 14th of April 2021, talking about the class 12th board examinations, it was mentioned that it has been postponed because of the increasing number of COVID-19 cases. The board had also mentioned in the same notification that the situation will be reviewed, and on 1st of June the board will make an announcement regarding the same, and also at least 15 days notice would be given before the start of the examinations. Now talking about class 10th board examinations for this year, CBSE has cancelled the examination, as we all know. Talking about the results of the board examination for class 10th, CBSE has mentioned in the same notification that the results will be prepared on the basis of an objective criterion, and this objective criterion is going to be developed by CBSE itself. Also, CBSE had mentioned in the same notification that if any student is not satisfied with their marks which the board allots them through this objective criterion, the student can appear for the examination when the situation is conducive to hold the same. Talking about the recent developments for class 10th CBSE board examinations, CBSE has sought information about the students' year-long performance related to their project work, assignments, tests, and so on. As per the board sources, information on 15 points, the format for which has been sent to all the CBSE schools, not only in India but also abroad. The school has to provide the details of each student based on these 15 points, and it is believed that CBSE is going to work out the marking scheme as per this 15-point format. It is still to be seen exactly how is CBSE going to work out the marking scheme, and also it is believed that CBSE will soon make a clarification over the objective criterion based on which the allotment of marks for class 10th board examinations would be carried out. And also it is advised to all the students to keep a regular check on the official website of CBSE for any further notices.